How to fix Google Meet background not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Meet background not working on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again and type here Meet, click on it and scroll down until you find tab over other apps, and then click enable it, and after that just go back, and then your problem will be fixed. Just restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, it means go to battery and make sure power saving mode is disabled. Don't make it like that, just disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.